What's up? What's up, everyone? So yeah, I have now fixed, or now I have built the hardest part, that which is continue. Here's part 13. Now let's continue. So that whenever it will be gravel, it will not fall. It's the main reasons why I can't get any loot. Is it because... Wait a sec! Okay. Barricade. Yes! Yes! We have now 5 pieces of iron. That means... Oh yeah. Oh, we have now coal. Let's just deposit some of the coal here. I mean, not all the coal. Put it in the blast furnace and smelt the iron ore. Guys, it needs to be really fast because I'm hurrying. I also noticed something, actually. Okay, let's break one of the chests because now we need. I also now smelt the gold. Place the chest there. Hopper! Okay, now we have a hopper. Now we can now actually deposit our items. Wait. We need to also make sure that... Oh no! I placed the hopper in the wrong way. Okay, no. There. Okay, let's sneak. Oh, we can't sneak. Why we cannot sneak if we're on water? I need to place the hopper. This is taking... Okay. So, let's see. We only need to break the block. Yes! Okay. Okay. Now get a chest. Or we can just simply make another one. Hooray! Now we have an automatic generator. That means we don't need to pick up the items. Automatically, items will just go there. Hashtag, I can get the items without picking them up. So, and, okay, come on. Okay, let's try to go did a test. Okay, so it's a wooden plank. Then we'll go to the hopper. Then we will transport it to the chest. Ta-da! This is because of the hopper. Now it's more better. Problem is, I can... Oh, another polish. Ow! Okay, give that. Then all of the items will just go there. Okay, I think that's wood. Yeah, it was wood. See the mob that just can't go. Okay. Oh my, the creeper that could explode. Ha! The creeper. Oh, I killed the creeper! Oh, but the creeper cannot explode! Because it's on the slab. That's a more creeper proof! Okay. Another one! Ah! Another creeper! GG creepers! But you cannot beat me. Oh my, it's an upgrade! It's an upgrade! It's an upgrade! Upgrade! It's an upgrade! Okay, having when it's upgrading, let's put all of our items. Let's place here. We have our first gravel. We have our gold. Hooray! Let's see the new. Okay, still diorite. Diorite. Snow. Wait a sec. If we're talking about snow, I know the best weapon. Wait, need to get to my stone. Give me a shovel. Hooray! Now we can build the snowman. I see the moon. I can't break the snow. Wait, is this actually also snow? What's a fox? Why I can't destroy the snow? Wait a second. That's not true. Let's break the fencing. This thing. Oh, look, the fox is holding a snowball! Okay. Okay. Think you can fool me? Well, the problem is if we have... Oh, we don't have chickens, so it doesn't have any problems. Okay. Okay. One more. Unfortunately, foxes doesn't drop anything. Except the thing that they are holding. Okay, here's the thing. Whenever I made snow like this, then when I use it, it will... Oh! Oh, it just like really break fast. Okay. Now night, I hope phantoms will not spawn. I will dream like a dreamer. Okay, let's see what are the things here. I know this. I think this guy's is Tundra. Yes. We have a lot of snow. Okay, this is granite. Are there no ores? Okay, we have coal. Same to underground. More snow. Wait. Wrong thing. Oh no, oh no. Wait, what did I break? Okay, let's go here. What? Okay. I think I need to make like snow. Let's convert them all here. We have 10 snow blocks. There. Okay, let's build like a turret. Yes, for like the snowman. Just remember, I hope it will not rain. Okay. Yay! Okay, I died. Just joking. So now I have here. I need to place a block there so that whenever it rains, the snowman will not die. Because snowman will die when it's on rain. Or when it touches water. Ta-da! Can even get the snowballs. We can have an infinite source of snowballs. Now we can continue. Okay, that's that. That's granite. Lord Granite. I hope we can continue the video, but I have reached the limit. So now you must hit the like and subscribe button.